Welcome to Epic Spanish Journey. In this video, I'm going to show you an image, and you'll have to guess the name of the fruit in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's start with an easy one. Do you know how to say apple in Spanish?
Manzana.
And how do you say banana?
Plátano.
That was easy, right? Next image. What do you see?
Naranja.
Do you know this one?
Fresa.
Don't worry, the level will get harder little by little.
Uva.
A summer favorite. Do you know the word?
Sandía.
You're doing great! Try this one.
Melón.
And this?
Piña.
One more. What's the Spanish word for lemon?
Limón.
Last one before we raise the difficulty level. Do you know it?
Pera.
Let's go with the medium level. What's the Spanish word for cherry?
Cereza.
Next image. What do you see?
Arándano.
This one was tricky. Try this one.
Frambuesa.
How many have you gotten right so far? Here's another.
Mango.
Can you guess the word kiwi in Spanish?
Kiwi.
That one wasn't that hard. Let's see this one.
Lima.
Any idea what avocado is in Spanish?
Aguacate.
Next one.
Mora.
Keep it up. Let's go with this one.
Melocotón.
Last challenge before we enter hard mode. Do you know it?
Mandarina.
Let's go. What's the Spanish word for pomegranate?
Granada.
And what's the word for apricot?
Albaricoque.
Have you ever tried this one?
Coco.
This is a grapefruit. What's its translation in Spanish?
Pomelo.
We're getting close to the end. Can you recognize this one?
Higo.
Amazing job! Let's try with plum.
Ciruela.
Do you know what passion fruit is called in Spanish?
Maracuyá.
Only 3 left. What do you see?
Papaya.
Surprise! It's exactly the same. One more.
Chirimoya.
A sweet one. Do you know the word?
Dátil.
And now, the bonus question. Let's settle this once and for all. Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable? Write your answer in the comments and tell us why. See you in the next video.